Hi everyone, my name is Matt and I'm on the developer experience team here at Dynamic. Today in a couple of minutes we're going to learn how to use the NFT and token gating feature. We'll use three things along the way. The first is the developer dashboard, app.dynamic.xyz. The second is a small front end I've built for demonstration purposes. It's a normal React app, and if you need any references for this, we'll also use the documentation. NFT and token gating lives here under access control, just like in the dashboard. All right, let's get our first gate set up. In our configurations tab in the dashboard, we're going to scroll to the onboarding section where we'll open the access control tile. Now here you'll see that I already have a couple of things set up. You may not, so this may look a little bit more sparse. We can either create an access list or a new gate. In this instance, we're concerned with gates. If we're creating a gate, we can choose to give it a name, to either allow full site access based on this gate or to return a scope for users who meet the criteria. We select a chain and then either an NFT or token along with a contract address. Now I've created one of these already, so let's see what it looks like. Here, when you edit a gate, you get the exact same modal, which is really handy. Note that you can edit gates and add the configurations for them without actually turning them on. You can see this toggle here on the left, so that's also super handy. Now we've given it a name, we've decided to return a scope, we've given the scope a name, chosen Ethereum mainnet, and we're doing this gate based on an NFT. That's all we need. So, ready? It's on, just like that. Now it's important to note here you can combine gates with AND or OR logic as well as access lists. So we won't go too deep in this one, we'll just touch the surface, but it's really configurable. You could have a section of your site for this NFT and that NFT, or being on this access list and having that token. All kinds of stuff you can do, so super handy. To start, let's just do a basic scope example. Let's switch to the front end. I'm going to intentionally connect a wallet which doesn't have this NFT in it. Let's do that first. We're connected and we can see that there's nothing here so far. It's working as expected. My wallet does not contain that NFT. I do not get access via that scope. However, and this is really cool, if I open the modal and I decide to link a new wallet, not get rid of my existing one, but add an additional one. Let me just do that now. I'm going to switch to another account in MetaMask and select my new wallet. We'll link this wallet to the new account. And there we have it. Two wallets linked, but the primary wallet is the one which doesn't have the NFT. However, we're in. So that's something really cool about scopes and NFT and token gating. It doesn't have to be your primary wallet. You just have to have a wallet linked which contains that token or NFT, as we do here. And we can see that returned to the code is the scope, my scope. And we can then take action based on that, like update the screen, give them access to a new portion of the site, etc. If I unlink that wallet, I'll no longer have that scope, and the code can no longer take action based on who I am. Simple as that. The documentation details all of this in more depth, how to create a new gate, some examples for you to go from. Really easy, and you can also see how to use the hooks, which gives you access to the current scopes that a user has, and then you can design your application accordingly. Any questions? Give me a shout either on the community Slack or hello@dynamic.xyz. You can email or Twitter in any way you see fit.